In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create custom post types in WordPress. Custom post types help you organize different kinds of content beyond regular posts and pages, making them perfect for things like portfolios, testimonials, services, or products. To make this easy, we'll use a plugin called Custom Post Type UI. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Plugins, then choose Add New. In the search bar, type Custom Post Type UI. When the plugin appears, click Install Now, and once the installation finishes, click Activate. After activation, you'll notice a new menu item called CPT-UI in your dashboard. Click on it, then select Add or Edit Post Types. This is where you'll create your custom post type. You'll see a form with several fields. First, enter a post type slug. These should be short and simple as it becomes part of your website's URLs. Next, add the plural and singular labels. For example, if you're creating a post type for books, use books for the plural name and book for the singular name. As you scroll down, you'll find settings that control how your custom post type works. Here, you can choose whether it supports features like titles, content editor, featured images, categories, or tags. Adjust these options based on how you want this content to behave on your site. Once everything is set, scroll to the bottom and click Save Post Type. That's it. Your custom post type is now live, and you can start adding content to it just like you would with regular posts. Custom post types are a powerful way to keep your site organized and professional. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other WordPress tutorials.